what is statistic? Okay, statistic maksudnya from chapter 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, it is all about statistic already. Okay, it is no longer tak ada dah calculus, tak ada dah algebra. What you have been learning all the while in semester 1 and in the first 5 topic of semester 2 is all about calculus and algebra. Okay, so from topic 6 onwards ni sampai habis topic 10 ni semuanya adalah statistik punya papers. Okay, so kita start dengan data yang paling boring. So saya akan cuba nak cepat sikit okay, it's a lot boring. Okay, so statistic ni is the discipline of the concept of collection okay, you collect data, you interpret data, and then you present your data. Okay, okay, these are the samples of how we collect data. These are the raw data. Ni raw data mentah, and then from this raw data we end up doing a chart pie, a pie chart, or a statistical diagram in any form okay. And then moving on to what is the data. So a set of data is a collection of observation, measurements, or information. Kita collect, kita tengok, kita ambil, that's a set of data lah. Okay. And then kalau data ni dia ada dua, quantitative dengan qualitative. So senang je, quantity, you can count. So quantity ni can be counted, number lah, number. Okay, contoh. Okay, and then dalam sebelum kita pergi pada kualitatif, quantity pun ada dua. Quantity ni ada discrete, ada continuous. Okay, so looking into more detail of discrete and continuous. So discrete can only take exact or countable value. Discrete ni maksudnya boleh dikira. Countable, 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, discrete lah. Example, number of students in the class. Yes, number of students. How many are present now? I can count. Okay, and then I can get also the data of how many that are not still present kan? So it's countable. Okay. Then the number of cars sold on a day by a car dealer. Yes. Okay. Continuous data ni pula macam mana? Can take any value over a certain interval. Continuous ni, okay. Discrete tadi kita kata countable. Continuous ni interval form. Okay, in the interval form. Example, the weight of students in a class. Kalau nak timbang berat kamu seorang-seorang, tak ada siapanya yang beratnya nak sama tepat, betul tak? Tu belum lagi yang dengan point-point berapa-berapa kan. So that's a continuous lah. Okay. The time taken to complete an examination. Every single student different time kan. Okay. So variables pula. Variables are any measured characteristic or attribute that differs from an element. For example, if the weight of 30 students are measured, then the weight too is the variable. Okay, so kita nak ambil data. Data apa ni? Variabelnya apa? So variabelnya adalah berat. Okay, weight, the weight. Okay, so it can be classified as quantitative or qualitative. Okay, so we'll see in more detail what's the difference between quantity and quality. Senang je, quantity, quality. Okay, daripada term dia pun boleh dibezakan. Quantity definitely number. Quantity, numbers lah, number, numeric. Measured on an ordinal, interval, or ratio scale. These are different types. Okay, ordinal types, interval type, ratio type. Okay, example, time weight. Time weight tu semua quantity. Sebab numbers. Okay, numbers. Okay, kalau qualitative variable maksudnya non-numerical. Non-numeric, non-numbers lah. Example, okay, it is also known as categorical variable, yang mana kita kategorikan kepada kategori apa? Macam tu. Okay, dia pula measured, dia diukur dalam keadaan nominal scale. Kuantitatif kita ukur ada 3 cara, ordinal, interval, or ratio. Quantitative Kualitatif pula diukur dengan cara nominal scale. Normal scale. Normal shape. It's like that. Contoh, gender. Number ke? Tak kan? Tapi kategori kan? The keyword is a category that. Eye colors, brown. Apa lagi? Chocolate, blue, green. Kan? Itulah quantity. Okay, we'll look at examples in more detail. Determine whether the following data obtained is discrete or continuous. Okay, everyone answer me. The number of books sold by a stationery shop. Discrete ke continuous? Discrete. Discrete, yes, you are right. Okay, then the time taken to travel from Kuala Terengganu to Batu Pahat. Continuous, good. Okay, the number of A's for UPS in the semester. Discrete. Okay, boleh kira lah ya. Okay, good. Okay, the weight of student in a practical. Continuous. Kita dah bincang tadi, okay? Hai, tiba-tiba bagi tak rasa boring lah pula, ya? Okay, moving on to group and ungrouped data. Okay, ungrouped data means that is a raw data. Okay, data mentah. Data mentah. Dapat data, kutip data, tak buat apa lagi. That's a raw data. Not in any in terms of interval lah, definitely. Dia ada mentah-mentah macam tu je. Okay, so definitely not in interval form. Can be in the form of frequency distribution that has been arranged in order. Ini yang ramai akan misinterpret. Okay, ayat ni. Okay, ini faham kan? Ni raw data. Ni raw data lah. Tak buat apa kan? Berkutip je kan? Ini pun raw data. Ini pun raw data. Sebab apa? Tak buat apa lagi. Ini yang dimaksudkan dengan can be in the form of frequency distribution. Ni dalam bentuk frekuensi, kekerapan. Okay, these are the examples for this. Ni contoh pada ni. Okay, in the form of frequency distribution, maksudnya dalam bentuk kekerapan. Okay, 0 books 3 times. Okay, 3 books 2 times. Okay, jangan misinterpret ni sebagai group data. Tak groupkan lagi pun. Okay, it's still in the form of raw. Okay, following that? No, lupa lagi tanda mana. Okay. Mamai ke apa? Okay, group data. The data can be grouped into class interval. Okay, the data can be grouped into class interval. Group data ni keyword dia mesti ada class interval before the frequency distribution is constructed. Okay, look at example. The table constructed is called the frequency distribution table. These are the frequency distribution table. Maksudnya dia ada dalam bentuk class interval. These are all the class interval. Nampak class interval? We have 1, 2, 3, 4 class interval, and for each of the class interval ada frekuensi masing-masing. Aduh, tu group data, okay? Dah lah, rekod nak bagi dekat unit college. Okay, stem and leaf diagrams. Okay, examples of stem and leaf diagram. Oh, okay. Data ni tak masuk PSPM. Kalau dulu masuk, so we will start to emphasize lah. For your batch this year, data tak masuk PSPM tapi masuk dalam UPS 3 dan akan masuk dalam assignment group. Okay, definitely mesti ada soalan stem and leaf ni, mestinya. Okay, so how to build a stem and leaf? This is an examples of stem and leaf. Tengok kat depan ni. Stem and leaf, stem, dahan, leaf, daun. Okay, nampak dahan dan daunnya? Okay, ni dahan dia. Ni anak-anak dia tu daun dia lah, daun-daun dia. Okay, ini dia berpegang kepada dahan-dahan masing-masing. Okay, so maksudnya macam mana tu? Okay, cara kita nak baca key ni 142. 142 ni yang ni 142. So maksudnya dia adalah number 142, 142. Cara kita tulis dia berada di dahan, stem of 1, 4, and the last digit, okay, the last digit of the number tu yang on the leaf part. Okay, that's how we denote. So key must be written 14 stroke 2 means 142. Okay, then used to extract every data value in a data set. Okay, the digits in the greatest place value of the data value are the stem. Greatest place, yang ini stem lah, greatest place kita panggil sebagai stem. Whereas the digit in the next greatest place are the leaf. Okay, leaf ni semua bahagian yang ni. Okay, moving on to identify the shape of distribution. A perfectly symmetric curve, or also known as a normal curve. Okay, also known as a normal curve ataupun bell-shaped curve. Ataupun bell-shaped curve. Okay. So ni lah dia. Perfectly symmetry. Okay. Skewed to the right or positively skewed. Ni shape dia. Dia skewed ke mana? Pencong ke kanan. Positively skewed. Are you with me? Following? Ekor dia ke kanan. Ekor dia ke kanan. Yang ini pula negatively skewed. Negatively skewed. Okay, macam mana nak beza? Yang ni memang selalu pelajar keliru. Senang je. Positively skewed ni, kalau diikut pada contoh lah. Kalau contoh yang ni nampak ramai yang macam fail, faham tak? Kalau ni markah kosong, ni markah 100. So ramai duduk kat mana? Duduk kat bawah tu kan? Ramai duduk kat bawah dah. Dia kira positif. Okay? Tu nama ni terbalik sikit lah. Tapi dia ikut kepada case kita tu lah. Case apa kan? Kalau saya bagi contoh, marks ramai bertumpu kat bawah, ramai fail lah kan? So dia pencong ke arah kanan, positively skewed. Kalau yang ini, ramai dapat A, semua dapat A. Adalah sikit-sikit tu. So yang ni kita consider sebagai negatively skewed. Okay, tengok ekor tu. Tengok ekor lah, tengok ekor dia. Okay, boleh Okay, moving on to stem and leaf diagram. So in the stem and leaf plot, it turns on the other side. We will look like the following. Turn the other side ni maksudnya tadi stem kat mana? Tadi stem kat sini kan? Leaf kat sini kan? Okay, so ni data. Yang ini yang bahagian leaf. Tengok leaf nak panjang ke mana kan? Tapi dia tak akan jadi macam ni. No. Dia akan jadi macam ni je. Macam ni. Okay, so sekarang ni cuba awak terbalikkan. Okay, saya ikut contoh yang ni lah. Saya ikut drawing of this part. This part punya drawing adalah macam ni. Okay, terbalikkan yang ni. Nampak tak? Dia sebenarnya akan jadi macam ni. Okay, turn it 90 degrees. Okay, so hasilnya akan jadi stem kat bawah, leaf kat atas. So awak akan nampak tak shape dia sebenarnya sekarang ni? Nampak kan? It is negatively skewed. Kan? Nampak kan? So turn. Okay, turn dia 90 degrees. Okay. So the distribution showed that the most data are clustered at the right. Most data duduk kat belah kanan. Okay, the left tail extend far from the data. The left tail ni far from the data, and the right tail. And the distribution is skewed to the left or negatively skewed. Skewed to the left or negatively skewed. Boleh nampak lah. Okay, boleh dibezakan. Okay, moving on. How to construct a stem and leaf data? Place the stem in order vertically from smallest to the largest. Maksudnya tulis stem, tulis leaf. Okay, atur daripada number paling kecil, smallest to the largest. Okay, and then place the leaf in order in each row from smallest to largest. Leaf pun sama. Start dengan small ke large. Number pada setiap leaf pun. Okay, number pada setiap leaf pun. Okay, and then create a key. Okay, key tu sebagaimana yang saya kata tadi lah, key Okay, lepas tu number apa? Number apa? Of stem, of leaf. Kena ada tanda bar tu nak. Lepas tu explain is what is that. Okay, explain all that lah. Okay, create a key. Senang je, buat stem, buat leaf, buat key. Buat 3 perkara tu ya. Okay, to construct a stem and leaf, first buat stem, kedua buat leaf, ketiga buat key ya. Okay, stem, leaf, key ya. Okay. Okay, example 1. Marks of recent mathematics test. Test lagi. Test 1 awak. Okay, are given as both follow. Okay, based on the marks given, construct a stem and leaf diagram. What is the highest and lowest mark? And then, okay, kita tengoklah, kita construct dulu. So, this is how. Buat tanda palang 2 tu. And then write the stem and leaf part. Okay, these are the mathematics tests. Okay, so markah paling sikit tadi berapa? 40. So you have 73, 42, 67, 78, 99, 84, 91, 82, 86 and 94. So obviously start from 4. Start from 4. And then you have 6, you have 7, you have 8 and you have 9. And then 4 ni pula continues with, start with, there's only one. 42, so 2 je lah. And then 60, how many 60 you have? Only 1 also. So 67. 70 ada berapa? Ada 73 dengan 78. Okay, so yang mana satu dulu? 3 ke 8? 3 and then follow by 8. And then 80, that's 380. So 2, 4, 6. As for 90, you have 3 also. 1, 4, 9. There you go. Okay, so stem pertama, kedua leaf, ketiga buat key. So the key, ambillah mana-mana. 42 ke, 99 ke, it doesn't matter. Okay, kalau 9 stroke 9, it means what? Means 99 apa? It's about what? This data is about what? Marks, yes. Explain about that. Marks. Okay? And then answer the question accordingly. The highest mark is what? What's the highest mark? 99 and the lowest mark is 42. Okay, following everyone? Simple je data ni, okay? Okay, moving on to example 2. Are you all done with this slide? Dah, okay. Okay, another example, given the height of 20 people as follow, construct a stem and leaf, and the shortest and the tallest height. Hence, interpret the distribution. Okay, so ni hasil dia lah nak. Kita nak laju sikit ya. So hasilnya salin je. Okay, shortest, tallest. Okay, the last part of the question is asking us to interpret. How to interpret this data? Cakap sombong lah. Tak tahu. Bagusnya jawapan dia. Ikhlasnya. Okay, nak interpret tu maksudnya talk about positively skewed ataupun negatively skewed. Okay, so yang ini kita nampak positively skewed. Betul lah positively skewed. Okay, kita nampak dia positively skewed. So the distribution is positively skewed, or boleh juga talk about the skewed to the right. Maksudnya skewed to the right. Okay, so boleh mana-mana sentence. Okay, so after this kita masuk measures of location. Okay, finish everyone?